Welcome back to Broke Ass EDC, home of the working stiffs everyday carry. Man, did a little trading, got lucky, got a ZT. Got another ZT that's going in the Broke Ass EDC collection. This one is a little bit of a user. That's why I got it finally. It is a zero tolerance Hinderer 0393 GLCF with the glow scales. Man, am I tickled with that trade. Soak that up. Made in the USA. Overall length 8.25 inches. Blade length 3.5 inches of CPM 20 CV steel, flat ground harpoon shape with a bead blast stone wash. Plain edge. Man, that's a mouthful. That's a good looking blade though. Good looking blade. Handle length, you've got the titanium frame lock with the carbon fiber overlay coming in at 4.75 inches. And this big boy is coming in at 5 ounces of right hand or left hand carry. Manual. Preferred method, flipper tab. Bam. Good solid action, man. Good solid action. First ZT I've had that's not assisted. The big tank. The big ZT, she's assisted, yeah. Hinderer design. And I will throw it in there at some point in the video. These scales, you charge them, and man, do they glow. They damn near glow in the light. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. The only deal is you got to be dedicated to get that thumb stud to throw that thing out. Flipper tab, no problem. She flings, baby. Big, I guess, swinging gate action, but it's a solid one. You can feel it swing out there. I mean, it's not really quick and precise. It doesn't, but she's, got that big, it's a lot of blade to throw out there. Big solid knife. Would not be scared to put this thing anywhere doing anything. No blade play, up, down, side to side. Like I said, it's a little bit of a user. She's not spotless and perfect. But still, dead on centered. Open design. Reversible clip. Cannot tear it apart. Loving it. Loving this one. Good, solid drop action. All 4 fingers with plenty hanging out on the back side. Over exaggerated big wide jimping to hold on. You can reach out on the harpoon if need be. Can't tear it apart. Just cannot do it, man. This thing is, I plan on carrying it. It's already, it's already a user. So I look forward to carrying it a little bit more and kind of just keeping it around. Cause I mean, I dig it, man. I dig this thing. I'm a ZT fanboy. Just wish they would pop out something a little bit more, something new here and there. And man, have you looked online? There is some red, like fat carbon scales for these. Too damn high. It's like $140 just for the scales. Man, would they look good on there? I mean, if you watch this and you sell the scales, I'll put them on and take some pictures. Gotta say, man, enjoying the Hinderer. Anything I have gotten so far and come across in my knife journey that's got Hinderer on it, I dig it. Man, that thing's slugged out there. Hear that? It's slugged. Y'all, don't forget, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the Zero Tolerance 0393 GLCF. ZT, you probably ain't listening, but name a knife. I know numbers are your thing, but throw some, throw a little name out there on it. Stay sharp. Stay safe, y'all.